Today we're making a true comfort classic. Smoky Mountain skillet collards with crispy Yukon potatoes. And it all starts with the greens. Bacon grease, and yeah, you know I saved that. This is gonna be so good. Into a pot goes 1.5 pounds, about 680 grams of collard greens. 3 cups or 720 milliliters of water. Let these simmer low and slow for about 35 to 40 minutes or until tender. Don't pour that liquid out. This is pot liquor, and that's where the flavor lives. Now we move to the skillet. Cast iron, medium heat. Chop 4 slices of thick cut bacon. Place in a cast iron skillet and let that cook down until nice and crispy. Pull the bacon out and set it aside. Bacon. But leave a couple of tablespoons of that bacon fat in the pan because we're not wasting flavor today. In go the potatoes. Spread them out in a single layer and let them cook undisturbed at first. And just a pinch of salt. Give them about 10 to 12 minutes, turning occasionally until you get those deep, golden, crispy edges and soft centers. This is where things start getting good. Ooh, smell that. Now add in 1 cup, about 120 grams of diced onion. Cook until tender. 4 cloves of fresh minced garlic. Cook until everything smells incredible. Time to bring it all together. Add your cooked collard greens right into the skillet, then pour in about 1/2 cup or 120 milliliters of that reserved pot liquor. Season with a little crushed red pepper, touch of smoked paprika, and just a pinch of salt. Black pepper. Ooh, this is gonna be good. Toss everything together and let it cook for about 5 minutes until that liquid reduces down and slightly coats everything. Now for the finish. The secret ingredient, add a tablespoon or 15 milliliters of apple cider vinegar. Yes, apple cider vinegar. This will brighten all the flavors up. Add your crumbled bacon back in, and there it is. Crispy potatoes, tender collards, smoky bacon, all tied together with that rich pot liquor. This is the kind of dish that doesn't just feed you, it sticks with you. This is Smoky Mountain Gourmet. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe because we will be doing this again.